Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So we've got some dogs, pointer, husky and bulldog, but I can't see a fourth one. So that potentially is just a red herring. We've got horse. Is that a synonym of horse? I can't see 3 other synonyms of animals though. What are we going to do instead? I mean, we've got little and middle, but I'm not convinced those are going to go together either. Amber is the middle of red, amber, green. So maybe amber goes with middle, and there are 2 other things that come in the middle of a sequence. Not convinced. We've got fry, small fry perhaps. I'm not sure how that's going to go with any of the others though. I can't see any others that can have small put before them. So I'm a bit stuck. This could be a rough one. Porterhouse, rough house, maybe? Little house, as in Little House on the Prairie, is that going to be one? I don't even know what the fourth one would be, even if that was a group. Sour House? I don't think so. A sour and a kiss. I feel like those are both the names of American sweets. But again, I don't know enough about that subject to know if there's 2 other obvious ones. Obviously ring feels like it could plausibly be. I don't know. Gruff and rough. I suppose gruff, rough, horse. Those are all basically synonyms. And husky. That's got to be a group, hasn't it? Yeah, I can't see anything else that could come in that group. They'd all mean raspy. That's good. We are off the mark. And husky being in that group means it's even less likely that we've got a group of dogs with pointer and bulldog. So that means I do need to work out what pointer and bulldog are. Because pointer obviously could just mean an indication, but I can't see 3 other things that are synonyms for indication. Bulldog could be British bulldog, but I can't see 3 other things that could follow British. So I don't know what bulldog. I don't know what that's going to be. What next? Oh, amber and stout. Those are both sort of words for beer, aren't they? Or lager. Amber nectar. That's honey, isn't it? I don't know. I'm confusing myself now, but I don't know what the other 2 would be in that group anyway. I suppose it could be amber, stout, sour, and maybe porter? I'm not convinced by that, but I will circle back to it if I need to. What would that leave? Ring, middle. What about horn? I haven't even mentioned that, and I've got no idea what it goes with. Big horn? Little and middle. Big horn, big fry? No, it's small fry, isn't it? Oh, what else? No, there's nothing that can come after small. Even if it was small fry, it wouldn't be small middle, would it? What else? Little Women, Middle March? That could theoretically be a group. I don't know 2 other books that could come in that sequence though. Oh dear. I'm still pretty convinced that it's going to be stout and amber. Mostly just because I can't think of anything else. But what on earth are the other 2 groups going to be, even if that does turn out to be correct? I have no idea. I suppose I should try the 4 that I said, shouldn't I? I'm not convinced, but I've got nothing better. Oh, they are all ale styles. I am not an ale drinker, so I'm very happy to have spotted that. That was not an easy group. So So, I've still got 4 lives left and only 2 groups left to find now. I don't see what fry could be other than small fry. But none of the others are small. What else can go in the middle? What on earth have any of these things got to do with each other? I mean, bulldog and pointer are the longest 2 words. Bull. If I ignore half of the word, does that help? I don't think so. A bulldog clip? I don't know. Little and middle. They really feel... it's likely that those are... either they're in the same group or they're just a big red herring and they're deliberately put them in different groups. I'm not sure which is more likely. I mean, if they're in the same group, that's just because of Little Women and Middlemarch, or it's because they're just sizes. But obviously there aren't 2 other things that are sizes. All I can think of is Pointer Sisters, but that is a band, not a book. Ring of Fire? Well, if it was Ring, Little, Middle and Kiss, I've got no idea what the remaining groups would be. I suppose it still could be Little Bighorn, Small Fry, Big Pointer, Little Pointer, Small Pointer, Medium Pointer. I don't know. I'm going to have to guess something. I'm even less confident of this than I was of the previous group. Oh, I'm 1 away. That is interesting. So, let's get rid of Kiss. I don't know why. That's still 1 away. That is the group. They are fingers. Little finger, middle finger, pointer finger and ring finger. Oh, see, it's called index finger, really, at least in this country. So that was just a terminology issue. And these, I've got no idea what links them. They are French. Did I say some of those earlier? French bulldog? No, I said British bulldog, didn't I? And I never thought of French fry. Oh, that's because we call them chips, like any sensible nation. French horn and French kiss. Yeah, I mean, I've heard of all of those, so I should have realised that. And I probably should have got the green group as well, but it doesn't matter, because I still managed to get it without losing all of my lives. But that was a really tricky one. I made a bit of a mess of that. Took me a long time to get those 4 groups, but I did get them without losing all the lives, so that's the most important thing. Let me know if you found this much easier than I did, or make me feel better by telling me that you struggled as well. That is the Connections game. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.